Yeah, the role day to day is working with the engineering group, working with our commercial team to, you know, pull things together with the customers and understand designs that the customers may have, look at different ways to cost reduce. We have a slogan here that says, quality starts with design. So we take that pretty seriously, and in the beginning of any project, we look at those designs pretty closely.
I think we bring value to our customers through our basically infancy to adulthood, or whatever you want to say, meaning we have the capacity and the ability to design, formulate, mold, finish, and carry through. And it always starts with quality. It always starts with our customers' need and desire to have a part that will work in their application. But I think that's what we do best.
What do I like best about working at Mar-Bal? I enjoy working with our customers. I like identifying problems that the customer has and working with them for solutions. Being vertically integrated, we've got the material selection that we can carry into the molding and through the product development, prototype, move into production, and you know, a successful launch.
Innovation here at Mar-Bal, we have, in the tooling side of things, we try to always look for new research and development projects and try to find a better way, a better solution for our customers to get them to market faster and more reasonably priced.